we've had an injury. Wait. Where's Jamie? He was like right with us. Wait. Oh God. Wait. Oh my God, he's falling off a cliff. All right, here we are. Morning one, day one.
Of course. 20 minutes late.
Of course.
Typical of him.
Of course. 20 minutes late.
Last year.
Typical. I know, nothing's changed. We now have everyone acquired, and we are on our way to the North Shore. We have Hoyam and Lenars and J-Man, our fearless leader. Sick
Hey,
one.
you're the leader. We discussed
Oh
this
right,
already.
I'm the leader solely based on age. Yes,
True.
of course.
It's the adult.
Alrighty, nice one. Alright, first pee-pee break of the
First piss break, whole trip.
First pee-pee poo-poo break of the trip.
No breakdowns yet.
Dude,
Feeling good.
we're going strong. We've made it so much farther than we did last year.
Ford E150
Without
is
stopping.
going strong. The what?
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Oh, it's a Chevy. This is a Chevy Express.
You saying Ford?
Shut up. The OG GLG gang van was a Ford E150. That's why I said that.
Unbelievable.
A few moments later.
On the road again. About 1 hour out of Duluth.
Really?
Yeah. I know. We're making time. So
Getting a little bit of breakfast there.
yeah, what do we got here? Legit food review.
Sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Very hot, very hot. Gonna have to let it cool down for a little bit.
Woo! Let's go. Never gets old. Holy.
Can you imagine waking up to this view every morning?
Pretty wild. So we did not know that there was going to be a large bike race through the middle of Duluth, and so the majority of half the road is blocked off, and so we're in bumper to bumper traffic as far as the eye can see.
It goes on for a while. I'll get this rolling, man. You really?
Hopefully this isn't the only misfortune that we happen upon during our trip, or else this vlog will be very boring. Alrighty.
I have a jar that we can hold.
We're currently fishing for a crawdad. Hold on, move your shadow.
What?
Your shadow.
Oh,
There he goes.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, stop.
Oh,
Ready?
this
Get it lower.
This is big brain. Hold on.
Yes. Pray daddy. Dump out the water. Or some of it, I guess. So
It's crawdad time. not sure where we are right now. Knife River. And we have our own personal tub here. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna do a time lapse. We're at our second pool spot. Our old one was over in that direction. And now we have upgraded to a much bigger one. This one's, you know, you can swim in it, which is nice. The other one's more personal, more of a lounging style lagoon. This one's got a very deep spot right there. You can do big old cannonballs into. Alrighty, we have made it to our first campsite of the trip. We looked at Finland and it was completely full, and then we looked at Ekbek and it was completely full. And so then we Google searched campgrounds in our area and we found this little guy, this little slice of paradise.
Oh yeah.
Called Wildhurst Camp Lodge and Campground. We're gonna hopefully find a spot at Finland tomorrow, or else we're gonna keep looking because we only have this spot for one night. So, yeah,
It's pretty nice though.
it is a nice.
big.
It has like hedges and stuff.
Yeah. Secluded.
Very nice. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go. Okay.
That's right.
Alright, second morning. Our first. Alright, cut. First morning on the trip. This Narzi. And here's Hoyam.
Morning.
Last night we had cheddar brats for dinner and beans. And just kind of hung out. This morning we got to be out of here by 11 and find a new campsite. Yeah. Hello and welcome back to another legit food review. It is our first morning here on the North Shore, and I have some absolutely delightful scrambled eggs with little bits of Spam on top. You know, it might not look like much to the untrained eye, you know, not much color, I will give you that. But the taste absolutely makes up for it. You know, when you take a bite, wow. Just absolutely just fluffy, very smooth. Not a whole lot of like oppressing egg flavor. And the grease from the Spam really adds that bit of heartiness I really want in a good batch of scrambled eggs. So, thank you for watching. I'm gonna finish up my food here now.
Oh, good morning.
What do we have here?
Well, these are my fried eggs, courtesy of Jonas, our chef this morning.
And most mornings.
And they were prepared over the fire with some nice butter grease.
Ooh.
Yeah. So I'm looking for some of that smoky tang within. Oh, very soft yolk. Yes, yes, we love that. Oh yeah, see how I pierced that? Yes. Alright, we're gonna be digging into our first bite here. That's a 10.
We have here orange marmalade, sweet orange marmalade on toast. And neither Narzi nor Hoyam have had sweet orange marmalade before in their lives, and we're gonna catch their reaction live on camera right now. So Hoyam, take your first bite, and Narzi, you may go ahead.
Sweet orange marmalade?
Yep.
Going in. First impressions, they definitely caught the sweet orange. Not just any orange, it's a sweet orange. And that's what you gotta remember.
Yes. Hoyam. Oh, alright, yeah. All 1,000 taste buds.
It tastes like jelly. Alright guys, just got done showering. Day 2. It's about 12 p.m. and we're gonna head out and find our next campsite. Finland or Ekbek. Finland or Ekbek. Alright guys, here we are, day 2. Finland State Forest Campground. And here's a little view. It's pretty cool. We got a cliff over here.
Sick.
I'm gonna go climbing on that later.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gotta go explore.
There's some trails that go up there. Mm-hmm. Alright, so we're just coming off from the campsite, coming up to explore up here. Just following these boys up here. We're gonna go see what's on the other side.
Dude, it goes all the way up here.
I know. This is crazy.
Wait, come this way.
Oh my god, there's so much stuff up here.
Sick. Wait. Where'd
right.
J-Man go? He was
What?
like right with us. Wait.
Oh god.
Wait. Help him. J-Man.
Oh my god, he's falling off a cliff.
Wait.
Pranked. I got you guys so good.
Oh my god.
We are at Palisade Head. We also came here last year. It's a pretty decent view of the lake from up here. There's a few ships, but it's a ways down, and it goes straight down. But yeah, we're just kind of checking out some stuff here, and then we will be going to where next?
Should we just head to Black Beach next?
Sure.
And then we could probably swim there.
Yeah.
Head to Black Beach, check out the island a little bit. After we're done at Black Beach, we'll head over to Split Rock Lighthouse State Park. And then we'll swim out to Grant Island, hopefully.
Yes.
You got the sun coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice. Feels good.
Yes, yes. Illuminating the rocks.
Look at that ship out there.
Yeah.
Think how big that is.
It's very massive.
Enormous.
Yeah, that's actually, holy cow, that is very large. All right, well, signing off for now. See ya at Black Beach.